Okay, it's eyelash time again. I'm going to try a slightly different technique. So, okay, Amazing Shine Eyelash, £2.50 from my local makeup store. So let's bust this one open. As a lot of people are aware, I always double up on my eyelashes. Fortunate enough to have fairly wide eyes. The only downside is one set of lashes do not fit my eyes. So what we're trying to do today is a little bit of different prep work to achieve a fantastic result. So, eyelash glue, which is, I think, leaking. So, as you can see on there, that's the right. Little trick here, when you're lifting it off with a pair of tweezers, lift it off from the edge that you don't mind potentially destroying, because you sometimes catch it and you might break a lash. So if it's for me, this is going to be the inside lash, so I don't want to be peeling it off from that side, destroy the inside edge, which is going to be visible. So I peel from the outside on this particular one, so that's the right. Then just gently bend it in a little bit. So that's the right. And that's nicely labelled as well. But it's now the outside edge, which I'll use for this one. So pick it off from somewhere else that doesn't destroy the outside edge. Now, we want to create that slightly winged cat-like look. So here we are. I'm going to take that outer edge and with a pair of tweezers just bend it up a little bit. There we go, just a slight bend. Now there should be enough glue on these eyelashes I'm having to discover how dexterous I'm not. There's a dog hair alert. Okay, how dexterous I'm not. So I've got that edge there. That fell into place. That's lovely. And just using my tweezers, just compressing the eyelashes together where the glue line is. See, because what I've found is normally I would just put the first eyelash on, another set of eyelashes over the top, but then you can miss the mark a little bit. There we go. And then just a little touch of eyelash glue, which you can leave to set off for a minute. There we go. Double eyelashes, so I'll let that set off for a second. Okay, so my hairdresser's bin, gorgeous hair again. Eyelashes, so I've not done my eyelashes yet, so out comes the eyelash glue. That nice cheap stuff that seems to work incredibly well. So not trying to glue my hair. After years of doing my eyelashes, there's one thing I can tell you: glue both sides. So you put the glue on the eyelash, and you put the glue on your eyelid as well. And in my case, an awful lot on your fingers as well. Bloody clumsy cow. So that, so much glue. So that one I prepared earlier, you just saw me do. There you go. As you can see, it looks like an extended version. So let's see if I can get this right. I'm just going to grab this mirror. It's going down okay. See, and that's the whole point of why you apply glue to your eyelid as well as your eyelash, and they're actually sticking together. If you just try to apply glue to the eyelash itself, all that would happen is that it would just peel off almost instantaneously. Yeah, done. The only thing I would then recommend, just a bit more eyelash glue and just go over the line. There we go. That's one. All done. The only thing I'll probably do now is just maybe when it's set off a little bit, a bit of mascara on top of it, just to deepen it up, but not until it's absolutely dried. Otherwise the mascara wand will just peel that eyelash straight off. So yeah, give it 5 minutes, let it set, go do something else. Otherwise, see you later, and I'll enjoy my absolutely stone cold coffee. Not delicious. Well, all made up and done. As you can see, the blusher, absolutely perfect, blended in with the highlighter white under the eyes. Changed the eyebrows a little bit today, but I think one of the most on point makeups I've ever done on myself. Do like it. Absolutely love it. Hands are absolutely caked in makeup, so it's clean up time. Dirty girl. And I'll see you all soon.